Lots of freeway noise, but we're gonna do a walkthrough on this fifth wheel anyway, but it's gonna be voiceover. This is the Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf Black Label fifth wheel. Hit pause now to get all your weights. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This fifth wheel is 29 feet 10 inches bumper to bumper, or front to back in total length, weighs less than 7,700 pounds dry. It has a storage rack, prepped for a roof ladder, backup camera, power awning, outside kitchen. Just remember, the refrigerator on the outside kitchen only works when you're on shore power or a generator. It has on-demand hot water heater, which, as most of you know, I'm still on the fence about. Also comes with a grill top, ice maker, has off-road style tires, solid step. Now, as we go in, it has the same Cherokee interior that they use on the travel trailers and the toy haulers. You get a U-shaped dinette, 12-volt refrigerator, nice big kitchen counter space. You get a couch in the back. So that means if you really had to, you could sleep up to 4 people. And you have pretty decent storage. It is equipped with solar, a one-piece sink, and fireplace. Now the fireplace, again, only runs if you're on shore power, and it does act as an electric heater. It also has a furnace, one air conditioner, and the drawers are pretty decent. They're actually deep. Just like a lot of the wolf pups or the gray wolves, they have deep cabinetry. As everyone knows, I love the one-piece sink. I like pozole, I like chili soup, I like all kinds of stuff you need big pots for. Hard to wash a big pot in a divided sink. So that's my personal preference. But for being a smaller fifth wheel, it doesn't feel like there is a waste of space for storage. Now, there's things I don't like. Obviously, I'm not a big fan of the couches. I'd rather have the recliners in the back, since we have the U-shaped dinette. But when we go into the shower, I like the shower setup. It's nice and wide. It doesn't feel like a sardine can, which a lot of them do. When they're small like this, usually you get that sardine can rounded shower. So I'm appreciative that they put a actual shower in a fifth wheel under 30 feet in total length. Not a lot of them do that. Now going into the bedroom, you get a full residential walk-around queen bed and a lot of clothing storage areas. Now I'm going to say you're going to get creative. Not a lot of hangable space, but good space for blankets, foldable shirts. You also have washer-dryer prep inside the closet, or you can make it just a big hangable closet area. Sorry about that. And it is prepped for a combo washer dryer, not a stackable. Okay. Now I do like having the nightstands on each side. I like having all the plugins and an inverter plug also on each side. So that way if you got a CPAP machine and you got some decent batteries and decent solar setup, you don't need a generator to sleep at night. So something really cool. Also, a lot of areas to charge your tablets, your cell phones, and your other devices. Now, in the top right-hand corner is another really cool small fifth wheel walkthrough I think you'll enjoy.